Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Fitbit Sense 2 smartwatch and you want to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this watch is not working or not connecting with your devices or not pairing or syncing or seems to be frozen and not responding, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now everything's going to be wiped off. It's going to be like when it came out of the box with nothing on it. That's the second reason you might want to do it. If for whatever reason, like you're giving it away or you're selling it or whatever, you want to do this before you do that. So it's real easy. Just on the actual watch itself, we can just open the settings option, the little gear shifting settings, and then we're going to scroll down to About Sense 2, the About Sense 2. Click on that, and then we'll select Factory Reset. After that, it'll just ask us to confirm it, and then once you confirm it, it will factory reset everything, wipe everything off of it, and then you can go and turn it on and just set it up as though it were a brand new watch. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.